Good afternoon, and thank you for joining me this afternoon. My name is CW and I do product reviews and demos. Today I'm just taking a quick look at this Redcamp portable folding stool, tripod stool. There's a Velcro on the back here to hold it together. Just pull it apart. You got your little tripod stool there. Put it together, put the Velcro, portable carrying strap, adjustable carrying strap. You can adjust it, make it longer, make it shorter, whatever suits your needs. Pretty good little old chair. Pretty good little old stool, I guess. Ow. Watch out when you're opening it up. Sit down in it just like that. Look at it from the back. Just like that. Portable, convenient, pretty lightweight. Ready to go on your next adventure. The Redcamp portable folding tripod stool.